Hi everyone, welcome to Sutra Online. This is your Narsima. Today in this class, I am going to explain problems based upon series and parallel combination numericals. Series and parallel combination numericals. So let's start. So what is given first problem here? Calculate the effective resistance between the points A and B in the circuit shown below the figure. So this is the circuit. So if you observe here, total five resistors are there. So these five resistors are connected in the circuit. This is nothing but circuit diagram. Here three resistances connected in a. If you observe, these three are parallel to each other. Here these three resistances are connected in parallel combination. Now first you can find the effective resistance of this parallel combination. So I am going to find the effective resistance of these three resistances. So that means 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Now we can substitute values 1 by 12 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4. So what is the LCM here? 12 is the LCM, right? 12 ones are, right? Next 6 twos are, right? Next 4 threes are. So total how much will come here? So 2 plus 6 by 12. So this is nothing but 1 by R. So then R is equal to, you can write here, R is equal to 12 by 6. So 6 ones are, 6 twos are. Then effective resistance here, R is equal to 2 ohms. So then this is, I am going to take R dash. Then R dash is equal to 2 ohms. Means this combination of these three resistances, the combination of three resistances, equivalent resistance is 2 ohms. Now again I am going to make the circuit. So draw the circuit, that is that become here, this is the A, right? So 2 ohms, right? The effective resistance of these three, so how much we got it So this is 2 ohms. This R dash, how much we got it? 2 ohms. And this one is there, right? How much is there? 5 ohms. So now this is the B. Now how it will be These three resistances are connected in a single path. So that means what these three are there in a series connection. Then total effective resistance in the series connection means how many are there here? 3 resistances are there. So then effective resistance formula what here? R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So then R is equal to R1 means 2 plus 2 plus 5. So total effective resistance in the circuit is 9 ohms. So this is the effective resistance in the circuit, that is 9 ohms. When the here resistances are connected in a parallel connection and series connection. Yes, this is the first problem. Yes, come to second question here. So find the value of current I in the circuit as shown in the figure. So this is the circuit here potential in the circuit, potential is given 2 volt and current is coming from battery. So the current is come to point A. Here that current divided into 2 parts here, that is I1 and I2. So this I1 is passing through, the I1 current is passed through arm A, CB is same. From here to here, that is same. So when here the current is same means what these two resistances is connected into series connection. So that means here what will come, that the R dash is equal to R1 plus R2. So that means 30 plus 30. So how much will come here? 60 ohms. Then this is nothing but R dash. Then how it will come, that again that diagram, if you observe, to make the diagram can make easy So right. Now how much this effective resistance is parallel to this resistance this effective, the combination of the arm A, C and CB, this effective resistance is parallel to arm AB right? So how it will come, that circuit is become here, this is nothing but 60 right, this is the plus and minus 2 volt. So current is coming I. So this is become 60 ohms and this is become 30 ohms. Now these two resistances are parallel to each other. So the combination of 30 plus 30, that is 60. This 60 is parallel to this one, right? How it will come that these two are parallel to each other. When these two are parallel to each other means effective resistance 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So how much? That is 1 by 60 plus 1 by 30. So LCM is the 60. So 1 plus 2 right? 1 by R is equal to, then 1 by R is equal to 3 by 60. 3 by 60. Then how much will come here? Effective resistance in the circuit is equal to 60 by 3. Just you can do reciprocal. So 3 1s 3 2s. So total effective resistance in the circuit is equal to 20 ohms. Then what is their potential? So V. Now you can find the current. So generally by using of Ohm's law, so V is equal to IR. Then I is equal to what will come here? V by R. So I is equal to how much potential is that? 2. 2 by 20. So 2 1s 2 10s. So I is equal to 1 by 10. So I is equal to 1 by 10 means that is current is I is equal to 0.1 ampere. So that is the total current in the circuit. So this is a second problem. Yes, come to third problem. What is given here? Third problem. A letter A consists of a uniform wire of resistance 1 ohm per centimeter. 1 ohm per centimeter. So the sides of the letter are each 20 centimeter long and the cross piece in the middle is 10 centimeter long wide. Yes, long, while the apex angle is 60 degrees. Find the resistance of the letter between the two ends of the legs. So very important problem. Here each side, total side is given 20 centimeters and A to C 20 centimeters, then C to E also 20 centimeters. That means A to B is 10 centimeters and B to C also 10 centimeters. Next to C to D 10 centimeters and D to E also 10 centimeters. But this cross piece, that is BD, that one also given 10 centimeters, right? But here for each centimeter the resistance will be 1 ohm. So that means total resistance, so A to B resistance AB is equal to BC is equal to SCD is equal to and DE is equal to, even BD also, BD is equal to how much is there that each side is 10 centimeter. Each side is that AB, BC, CD, DE and BD also 10 centimeter. That means what here? For each centimeter the resistance will be 1 ohm. So that means here R1 resistance, R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3 is equal to R4 is equal to R5 is equal to, resistance will be 10 ohms. Now here you can find the equivalent resistance in the circuit between the ends of the legs. What are the legs here? A and E. So these are the ends of the legs. Here now we can find if you observe the diagram here, when it is comes here, current at this junction at the point B, it is going to become divided two parts. Like for example here, this is the current I. When it is comes here, this is become I1 and this is become I2. So this how much current is passing through resistance R2, same amount of current pass through resistance R3 also. That means what here? These two resistances R2 and R3 are series connection. Then effective resistance what will come here? R dash is equal to R2 plus R3 because these two resistances are there in series connection. So then R dash is equal to 10 plus 10. So that is nothing but 20 ohms. So this is nothing but R dash when the two resistors are connected here series combination. Right. Now come to, if you draw the, how it will come that diagram here. If you observe, this is the A. So right, that circuit become like this. if you draw easy way, right? So this effective resistance, these two are series here, this effective resistance is parallel to this one, so that means here 20 ohms, this is 10 ohms, already here this is 10 ohms and this one also 10 ohms, this is the E, right? So now this is nothing but here B comma D. Now if we observe, what will come again effective resistance here? What will come here? Effective, these two are again parallel to each other. So these two are parallel to each other means again R2 dash, I am going to take R2 dash, that is 1 by R dash is equal to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10. So what will come here? LCM 20. So right, 10 1 plus 2 that is 1 by R dash. So total this is nothing but 3 by 20, right? So 1 by R dash is equal to, then R dash is equal to 20 by 3 ohms, right? So this is when these two are parallel to each other, right? Now if you take a total circuit, what will come here? Total circuit, if you observe the circuit, then this effective resistance means these three are parallel to each other here, series. This circuit is become A and E. So that means here, so what will come now here? One is 10 ohms, this is nothing but 20 by 3, and again this is nothing but 10 ohms. So then these three are here series connection, 10 ohms, 20 by 3 and 10 ohms. These three are there in series connection. Then series connection means what nana here? Effective resistance is equal to 10 plus 20 by 3. That means effective resistance formula what nana here? R1 plus R2 plus R3. So that means here 10 plus 20 by 3 plus 10. So then finally here 20 plus 20 by 3. So if you take the LCM, so 60 plus 20 by 3. So 80 by 3. 80 by 3 means so 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Still how much is there? That means 26 point something. 20 effective resistance is nothing but 26.6 will come. So this is the effective resistance in the circuit. So this problem is very, very important. So right, for more videos, for more information, download the Sutra online app. Thank you for everyone.